Hi, my name is Saranya, and in this video I will be demonstrating a dynamic dashboard I made using Microsoft Power BI. To create my dashboard, I relied on a human resources sample dataset from the Microsoft website. This sample is a very large dataset that depicts a multi-regional company. Since I'm a huge fan of The Office, let's just call it Dunder Mifflin. It contains generic information that would be of interest to a human resources department. So the sample looks at new hires, active employees, and employees who are no longer with the company. It has information on employee demographics and tenure. So things like employee ages, ethnicities, start dates, and classifications such as full-time and part-time status. I decided that I wanted to narrow in to focus specifically on new hires and try to deduce some insights regarding hiring patterns and diversity in the new talent acquisition process at Dunder Mifflin. The first thing I'd like to point out is that because the company operates across multiple regions, the visualizations on the dashboard can be segmented to show information pertaining only to a certain region, and the relevant visuals will adjust. The data can also be split by year. As per the data, we have information on new hires for multiple years, which is reflected in this dropdown and in the title. We can view yearly new hire metrics from 2011 to 2014 or view comprehensive insights. The demographics section of the dashboard serves as a basic overview of new hire classes. It's really important in new talent acquisition to understand who we're hiring, what demographics we're adding to our employee network, and the audiences that we must tailor ourselves to in future recruiting efforts. The user can clearly see the total number of new hires for the given year and or region if the drop downs are used, and the new hires split by gender. A tree map visual demonstrates the general age distribution of new hires in a format that's really easy to digest. So here, clearly a majority of our new hires are younger than 30, and that could really offer some insight as to how to best appeal to and retain our newest talent now that we know their general age demographic. The adjacent column chart continues the commentary on age distribution with a further analysis of part-time and full-time employee status. So HR professionals could use these concise metrics to monitor gender and age distribution benchmarks as they hire new talent for the company. Over here, we can see new hires by year and region. Just a note that this visual isn't affected by the dropdowns. It's static and should be seen as a general overview of each region's hiring strategy. So how their efforts compare in terms of new hire numbers and how their hiring efforts have increased or decreased over time. This could prompt corporate HR professionals to focus in on regions that they would like to see improve their hiring strategy. And actually, using the slicer in the report, they could actually target some of the specific metrics on the dashboard. This stacked column chart helps us recognize in what times of the year we currently concentrate our hiring efforts. The top level of the chart shows the data in terms of quarters, but the user can drill down and view the data in terms of months. Such a visual can help talent acquisition teams understand patterns in the recruiting process, quote unquote busy seasons in recruiting, and shift efforts to different times of the year if desired. The last big visual I'd like to point out is a pie chart depicting the ethnic makeup of new hires. Right below it is another pie chart that describes the ethnic makeup of the whole firm, allowing for easy comparison and benchmark setting. Such insights are really crucial for firms that prioritize employee diversity, as this is something that starts with bringing in diverse talent. This pie chart is especially helpful in that clicking on a subset gives us other important insights into the ethnic group at our company, such as gender makeup, pay status, and regional diversity. So, in conclusion, this whole dashboard serves to provide meaningful insights regarding current hiring strategies and results. Such visualizations make understanding demographics, hiring trends, and regional differences accessible for the HR team at Dunder Mifflin. Thanks for watching.